Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm really sorry that I am uploading this video after so long. It's because I was not doing well, but I am perfectly fine now and I hope that you all are doing well. So today 26th of July is my birthday and I was getting ready, so I thought of filming a makeup video like get ready with me, and I created this makeup look very warm, beautiful and glowy. And trust me, this makeup look is created using just 3 to 4 products. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So first step, I am taking this Nivea cream to properly moisturize and hydrate my skin. Then I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrow off camera. Then for foundation, I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Nude. I always use this foundation when I want my makeup to be very light and natural. Then to conceal my under eyes, I am not gonna use any concealer. Rather, I am taking this Makeup Revolution foundation stick, which is lighter than my skin tone, and using it as a concealer and blending it very nicely and properly with the help of same foundation brush. I want my makeup to be as minimal as possible, so I'm not gonna contour or bronze up my face. I'm just switching up to cherry my cheeks. So for blush, I'm using this beautiful peach color from my Freedom Pro blush palette, and also I'm applying a little bit blush on my nose, my chin and my forehead. I want my face to look naturally pink, but very little amount. Okay, I'm not gonna do any eye makeup. I'm using the same peach blush that I used on my cheeks as my eyeshadow, and I'm putting this on my crease line for my eyes to look very natural. Then I'm taking this brown shade and applying it on my lower lash line for balanced eye look. I am recording this video in natural light, sitting in front of a window. The sun keeps coming in and out. Now for mascara, I'm using this Wet n Wild mascara. I'm not gonna apply any falsies. For lipstick, I'm applying this Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick, and this is in the shade Pink Perfect. Honestly, I love this lip color. This pink shade is definitely complementing my whole makeup look. Now for highlighter, I am taking this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and applying it on my usual highlighting areas, my cheekbone, on the bridge of my nose, then on my chin, then on my forehead, and at last on my brow bone. Then very final step, to fix my makeup, I am using this Faces makeup fixer. Setting spray helps your makeup to stay fresh for a longer period. So this is my final look, very warm, glowy and natural, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you liked this tutorial, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. I'll meet you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay blessed, bye.